Hello, I'm Isane and I'm here to present some of my favorite photos. This is my sister Mayaren. She has got brown straight hair and brown eyes. She's very funny and naughty and clean. In this photo we are in the river. This is my dog Lourdes. It has got black hair and brown eyes. It is naughty and beautiful. In this photo it's sitting on a table. This is my best friend Juni. She has got black hair and brown eyes. She's very funny and friendly. In this photo we are in the bus. This is my grandmother. She has got green eyes and white hair. She is very keen and hardworking. In this photo we are shooting photos. This is my mom Marian. She has got black hair and brown eyes. She is hardworking. In this photo is with my dad. This is my dad Alberto. She has got black hair and brown eyes. She is very funny. In this photo is with my mom. This is my friend Carmen. She has got brown hair and brown eyes. She is beautiful and naughty. In this photo we are playing. This was all. Thank you for your attention and I hope you like it.